This episode of Building BB-8, I'm going to show you how to get Pixar's Render Man. I'm going to show you how to get Maya for free if you're a student. I'm gonna show you what took me a whole week of nonstop rendering to make. And what's on my lip? Alright, so it's gonna be easy. You're gonna go to the Pixar RenderMan website, renderman.pixar.com. You can click Get RenderMan. Then you're gonna see a few options. Go to non-commercial, try it, and you're gonna try RenderMan because you're not a commercial. And then you're gonna go to create form account, and you're gonna click that. And then you're gonna go to the forums. You're gonna make a forum account, and then they send you emails, and then you confirm who you are, and then you can download it. Then you're gonna go to autodesk.com, okay, and then you're gonna go to the main menu on the right, top right. Come on, mouse. Come on, you can do it, mouse. There you go. And you're gonna click Students and Educators. Okay, then you're gonna go to Free Software. And that's all. There's even more than that if you click See All Products. But Fusion 360 is what I use to design the BB-8 body. Maya right there is what I use to animate that little short that you're going to see in a second. So just sign up with your student email, and then you get all that stuff for free. I'm a political science major, so it doesn't matter that I don't make things for college. For the audio portion of the video, I'm going to have this RC car drive around the floor, and then I'm going to take the audio and then put it into BB-8 walking around the screen. But there's only one problem. Jahi keeps attacking the RC car. Alright, now here's that cool render thing that I made that took a whole week, and now you can watch it. You guys like that? It took me forever. It's too much time. I don't even care to admit how much time that took. But now you've seen it, and now you've seen it, and now you know how to get the stuff to make one yourself. So like and subscribe and hit the bell, or else nothing will happen to you.